let us talk about payment terms in the current session. Creating payment terms in the current session. In the earlier session, we have seen how to create a role, then and how to grant the permissions to the user. In the current session, we'll see how to create payment terms. Okay, we create standard payment terms for the customers to specify due date and discount percentages. Okay, payment terms includes basically payment terms will be included with discounts and discounts for early payment, and you can have multiple discounts of each payment line. Through order management responsible, we are gonna create payment terms. Two predefined payment terms are there in receivables, Oracle receivables. Immediate one and other one is 30 NEFT. 30 NEFT is nothing but what are the outstanding that we have that needs to be received within 30 days. Balance should be become zero there. And immediate, the balance of the transaction is due only immediately. You can use this payment for your chargeback and debit memos. Okay, now you just go to the application and try creating a payment. Just go to order management responsibility, customize the order management responsibility, set up orders, then select payment terms. What I do is I'll just create a payment term now. My condition here is, what I do is I'll take the condition as Tata 3/10 NEFT, nothing but Tata 3 within 10 days. See, here is due days is 30. If here the payment terms here is, if within 10 days the payment is done, then I am giving a discount of 3%. Okay, let us say I'll define one more thing here. I'll define one more line item. Let me try creating this. Okay. if the payment is made within if the payment is made within 10 days, then 3% discount will be given. Discount will be applied. Okay, so and the same thing is like allow discount and partial payments. Do you want allow discount and partial payment for this specific payment term? Do you want to allow discount and partial payments or not? If you want to allow, enable this checkbox. At the same time, do you want to allow prepayments or not? At the same time, do you want to allow credit check or not? Okay, billing cycles. If you want to mention any billing cycles, we can define over here. We have n number of billing cycles. We can define it. I'm not going in deep. Discount basis and base amount we need to give 100. Generally, it will be 100. And discount basis. Okay, like generally we do the anything for 100, right? Discount basis, how do you want to calculate discount? Do you want to calculate an invoice amount or lines only, or lines freight items and tax, line and tax, not freight items and tax? We have multiple options, out of which do you want to calculate an only invoice amount or only on lines only, or lines freight, and I'll just select invoice amount. Just for information sake, I am giving explaining this. Effective date, by default effective date will be taken today's date. When if you want to end this payment term, then you can define the date of the date here, so that it will not flow for the future again. Installments options, we have multiple options here. From that installment options, we can select one option. Allocate tax and freight, include tax and freight in the first installment. I will select this one. And here relative amount, what are the amount I defined there, that will be floated here. And due days, date, day of month, here I mention due days as 30 days. Okay, so what I do is I'll just go to discounts here. Then what I do is, as I said, here I'll define multiple slabs. See, what I do is I'll just mention 3%. If my customer, if the customer is paying within 10 days, then I'll get 3% of discount. Okay, if he is paying in with 20 days, then he will get 20% 2% discount. Okay, that is what the concept here. Save. Here I define multiple discounts, multiple discount lines for this payment line. If he pays within 10 days, 10 or less than 10 days, then he will get 3% discount. If he pays within 20 days or 20th day, then he will get a percentage of 2% on overall discount. Okay, save. Yeah, it got saved. Now basically we have, as I said, I'll just show you one or two transactions which has already created. We'll have a cash on delivery, right? We'll see one cash on delivery. Generally cash on delivery is nothing but, see how it is, cash on delivery process. Do you want to allow discount on partial payments? Base amount, invoice amount, see here, include tax and freight. Here we don't define any discount. Basically you just see here cash on delivery. And one more thing is, there is no due dates here, because cash on delivery is nothing but we need to get the payment immediately. I mean, we need to take the amount from the customer immediately, so there is no due dates here. And go back to the any other transaction. Let us see. mm, let us see prepayment, or let us see upon receipt, last immediate. Let me select the immediate one. See here, the thing is like, even immediate one means there is no need of defining days, because we need that whatever the outstanding is there, that needs to be cleared immediately, so there is no due days here. Let me go back to any other let me go back to any other let me go back to any other um, want yeah, let me open this. For example, here the thing is, you see here 3 by 10, 2 by 30. That here the number of days due is 60 days. Here the number of dues defined under this payment term is 60 days. Okay, and discount basis he mentioned is line only. On line only basis he is calculating discount basis is on line only. Multiple discount terms, if paid within 10 days, 3% discount is applied. If paid within 20 days, see, if paid within 11 to 30 days, 2% discount is applied. If paid after 30 days, no discount is allowed. Right, here we have multiple. This is how it will be. Just go to discounts, see here how it is defined. That's it, guys. Whatever the payment terms we have defined here, basically that will be floated to customer customer profile and transactions. Okay, we'll talk about customer profile in the coming session. Let me close this session. Thank you.